Manjula Shivpooji, GPT English, Jivapur, Saudati Taluka, Belgaum District.
Hello everyone, I am Deepika Vijay Sulebhavi, working as GPT English at Kittur, Belagavi. Today we have come with another interesting game and the name of the game is Unity. It is a group event.
Now let's look at the objectives of this game. To enable students to connect related words to the given word.
To enable students to identify words.
To enable students to read and comprehend the related words.
Now let's see what are the materials required for this game. Words and related word cards, two-way stickers, boxes to keep the word cards.
The preparation that is required before playing these games are running tracks of 50 meters as the number of teams.
Make cards of words and put them in a box.
Place the related and some unrelated word cards with the two-way stickers in the boxes at the end of the track.
Now let's see what are the rules of this game. A team can have 5 to 7 members.
All the team members should stand at the start point.
The captains will have to pick a word from the bowl, for example, hospital,
bus stand, school, etc. As the whistle goes, captains must run to the other end and find a related word from the box there. For example, doctor, and run back to the start point and paste the related card to the next member of the team.
Now, these two members must run to the end point and find another related word, for example, injection, and run back to the start point and stick the related word card to the next team member and the game continues.
The team which completes the game in less time with maximum correct related words will be the winner.
First rank will get 3 points, second 2 points, third will get 1 point respectively.
Each correct related word will carry 2 points.
Now let's go to the ground and see the demo of this game.
Pick the topic. Okay. Pick the topic. Okay. What's your topic? School. School. And what's your topic? Bus stand. Very good. Go pick Lina. Stuck? Okay. Don't run. Okay. Soccer's very box today. Ready? Go.
Yes.
I hope you have watched the game. The kids will be given the score as per the score cards.
Now let's look at the learning outcomes of this game. Students read the word given to them.
Students find the related word in the box.
Students connect related words to the given word.
Develop vocabulary. I hope
Thank you.
you enjoyed this game. Thank you.